Hello student, this is Harsha from Academic Knowledge Institute, and today we are going to see about term 2 syllabus for the class 10 CBSE and which are chapters are going to come and what are the weightage for that particular chapter that we are going to see. Okay. Term 2 CBSE class 10 science syllabus. Okay. So here the first thing is that in this case you are having almost two chapters of chemistry, two chapters of physics, two chapters of biology, and one chapter is for the general science. So let's see which chapters you are having and how much weightage they are having. Let's start. The first chapter you are having, that is carbon and its compounds. Then the second chapter you are having, that is periodic classification of elements. Then third chapter you are having, that is how do organism reproduce. Then fourth chapter you are having, that is heredity and evolution. Then fifth chapter which you are having, see the first two chapters are from the chemistry, these two chapters are from the bio, and then these two chapters are from the physics, which is electricity then sixth chapter which you are having, that is the magnetic effects of electric current. Then seventh chapter which is having you are having, that is the our environment. Okay, so see these seven chapters you are having, right? Okay, 1 minute. So these two are from the chemistry, these two are from the bio, these two are from the physics, and this is for the general science. Among these two chapters are having the weightage of 10 marks. Okay, right? These two chapters are having the weightage of 13 marks. These two chapters are having the weightage of 12 marks, and this chapter is having the weightage of 5 marks. So here if you see, this is total how much it is, this 10, this 23, and this is 35 and 40, right? So total 40 marks writing paper you are having. Then 10 marks you are having for your internal assessment. So total you are having 50 marks paper. Total how much marks will be there? Total there will be the 50 marks paper. You will get the marks out of 50. Your term 1 exam is already done, so your term 2 exam is there. This is the syllabus for the science. Then we will study, we will see for the maths also what syllabus you are having for the maths. You don't need to worry about it. See, you are having very less chapters, because if you see your overall chapters, there are 13 chapters. So you are having very less chapters. Your objective exam is already done, so this exam will be a subjective. And your term 2 exam will be, the estimated date is like maybe in March or April for this year 2022. So let's prepare for it. we will start from this chapter, like carbon and its compound. Understood, student? If anyone is having doubt, anything related to this, then they can ask me. Thank you so much.